Hi, congratulations on purchasing your new Oracle. Today we're going to show you how to get started. First of all, let's get out of the box. So all we've done is unstrap this, still on the pallet. Just going to lift the box off. We've got the plate in here. Just going to put it to the side. Instruction manual. Then all we need to do is remove the cardboard. Plastic bag off. Peel at the side. Then what's one of the most important things in your Oracle is do not lift it with a handle. What you have to do is lift it with here. There's got some tape here highlighting not to lift it. What that can do is damage your hinges. You don't want to do that with your new Oracle. So we've got a handle at the rear and we've got a handle at the front, and then we're just going to, Ryan's going to give me a hand, we're going to move this. Right, so now we've got it out of the box, we're just going to get it going, get it started. So remove your tape, screen protector off, and what we've got is the wash box. So how this goes in is like that, flat. It goes up, you'll hear it click at the back as well. Again, the other side. Then our plate we've had at the side. Can go both ways. You see the grooves, but there's a shinier side in the top. In that, place that on the feet. Oven closed, and you just need to plug it in. The oven's just initialising. So we've unboxed. What we're going to do is go through some of the items it comes with. This is the grill plate. This is the one I use in the kitchen. This is an essential part of the oven. What that does, it's good for crisping it up, all your bases for any of your products you're putting in there. It's removable, obviously. This is your wash box. This protects the inside of your oven. It's nice and black, so you don't really see the stains on it. Really easy to remove, just wipe down. Brilliant. Comes with your peel. Your peel is essential for taking your hot items in and out, protects your hands. And what we'll do is there's some other accessories you can buy. This is the ribbed grill plate. That will just sit on the same feet. And what that is really good if you want that bar marked, or if you want that on your toasties, your paninis. It's also good for grilling veg or any other products you want to put in there. Then it comes with different types of trays. You've got the nice Teflon tray, which is really good. So if you've got a product that maybe has a lot of cheese that's going to ooze out of it, this will catch that and it'll help protect your grill plate. There's the perforated ones. Again, this is ideal for transferring that heat from the grill plate and get a nice crisp base on the bottom. These are also available in half sizes. You can use them, so if you want to put two different items in the oven at the same time. Once you've got all that in your accessories, you're good to go. You're good to cook.